Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: VS Code, the Azure account extension, and Azure CLI. Once done, open VS Code and use the command palette to run Azure. Sign in so you can authenticate with your Azure identity. Make sure you choose the subscription you intend to work with when prompted. This step ties your local editor to the cloud account. It's the only supported pathway for the integrated Azure experience in VS Code, and it enables subsequent CLI and extension actions. Once signed in, confirm the subscription inside VS Code using Azure. Select subscriptions so commands target the right tenant and subscription. If you need CLI actions or automation, open the integrated terminal and run as login or create a service principal with as add sb create for RBAC, assigning required role. Make sure your resource group exists or create one. This prepares the scope for deployments. The extension reads the same auth context, so selecting the subscription here ensures consistency between Portal, CLI, and to finish, deploy from VS Code using the appropriate Azure extension. For example, Azure App Service for web apps or Azure Storage for blobs, and follow prompts to pick resource group and name. Once deployed, verify the resource exists in the Azure Portal and inspect the activity log for deployment details. If something goes wrong, rerun Azure. Sign out in Azure. Sign in and confirm your user or service principal has the correct role assignments. Often youth or adding contributor permissions fixes common token.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.